In the last video, we looked at data types, the string data type, the numeric data types, which include integers and floats. We also looked at Boolean data types, true or false. We learned how to output them. So now we are going to look at how to output different data types in one print statement. So for example, okay, let me see. Let me go here and create a new file. Output data types.py. So let's say I have a variable called age, and my age is 21. That's my FIFA age. And then my full name is Chizom, ECHHIE, and then that's a Chioka, and then Chizom Chioka, and then my location or my state of origin is Abia State. Now these are three variables. One, the age variable is having the data type integer, a numeric data type. Full name is having a data type of string, and state of origin is having a data type of string as well. Now, if we wanted to output my full name and state of origin, I could say print full name plus state of origin. Could save that. Let me take this up. And then when I write Python, I run my script Python data types. Out data types, supposed to be output data types. So I'm going to rename that here. Sorry about that. Output data types. All right. So output data types. I run my script. It says Chizom Echioka state, Abia state. See, it has like they are all joined together. So this plus symbol, we use it for concatenation. Concatenation, that means adding two or more string values together, two or more values together, two or more variables together, or strings or data types or data. So in order to create a space between my surname and my state of origin, I could put a space here, quote, and this. So this space is like an empty string concatenating my full name, concatenating my state of origin. So when I run my script, Chizom Echeoka Abia State, I could add a comma here inside this space and save it. And when I run my script, Chizom Echeoka Abia State. Now let's make a full statement. Let's make a full statement. I will comment this out. Let me write print. My name is C space plus full name plus I want to create a space between my next sentence and my full name. My name is Chizom Ichioka. I am from plus space and then Abia State, which is like state of origin. When I come here and run my Python script, says my name is Chizom Ichioka. I am from Abia State. Now, if I wanted to add, and I am 21 years old, when I come here, concatenate, comma, and I am concatenate, I am 21, That's was it age to age, concatenate space years old. If I save that, I'm going to get an error. Now the error I'm getting is type error, can only concatenate strings to strings, not integer. So the problem here is I have a set of strings. My name is, and then I have a variable that contains a string. I have in that set of string, I have a variable that contains a string, which is the state of origin. And I have this set of strings again. And then here I have an integer, as a, like my variable age holds an integer. Now, I can't run this script because it keeps giving me error. One of the ways to solve the problem, we have different ways. I'm going to show you like the best way I find like comfortable solving such problems. So outputting such values is to removing the age, and I'll use the string method, and I'll put my age inside that string method. So what am I telling Python? Python, look through this string. They're all strings. And then when you get to age, which is an integer, convert it to a string and output it for me. So when I run my script, Python output their types, now there's no error. My name is Chizom. I am from Abia State and I am 21 years old. Oh, I didn't put, I'm 21 years old. All right, 21 years old. There's an easier way to do this. There's an easier way to do this. The easier way to do this, and I advise you to do it. Oh, consistency is also key. As you can see, I used like a single quote here, and the rest I'm using double quotes. So let's keep it single quotes. Let's keep it double quotes. All right. So the easiest way to do this, I am going to remove all these concatenations. I'm removing all the concatenations here. Let's not forget our variables are still inside, like first name, state of origin, age. So I'm getting all this out. Concatenations are out. So it's one string, like it's purely one string. When I output this to my command line, my name is full name, I am from state of origin. It's just outputting the variables. We don't want to output the variables. So we have something called the F string. In my opinion, it is one of the cleanest, easiest way to output strings. So the way to use it, you just write the letter F in front of this place, and you use your curly braces. You use your curly braces. So this is my full name variable, state of origin variable, and finally my age. Clean. When I save and I run my Python script, it says, my name is Chizom. I am from Abia State and I am 21 years old. Automatically, the F string helps in converting other data types so that it can be outputted. In our next lesson, I'll show you how to receive inputs and as well output whatever the user inputs or carry out calculations. All right, see you.